Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest update for Windows 11 23H2, which is KB5073455. I'll leave the video for that linked if you'd like some more information. But just to let you know that unfortunately, once again, Microsoft has confirmed a known issue over on its known issues health dashboard that is affecting 23H2 after this update has been installed. Now, Microsoft has this to say, saying, after installing the January 13, 2026 Windows Security Update, which is this update, for Windows 11 23H2, some PCs with secure launch are unable to shut down or enter hibernation. Instead, the device restarts. Now, in case you're wondering what secure launch is, it uses virtualization-based security to protect the system from firmware level threats during startup. So it's only affecting systems with secure launch, and this is going to be affecting, I would say, more your enterprise and corporate environment more than your home users, although obviously there's always an exception to the norm with these issues. Now, Microsoft says that at this time, there is no workaround for entering hibernation. Until this issue is resolved, please ensure you save all your work and shut down when you are done working on your device to avoid the device running out of power instead of hibernating. Now, obviously, part of the problem is that you are unable to shut down or enter hibernation. So Microsoft has provided a workaround. The workaround is this: to shut down your device. You would type CMD in your search, which is the command prompt. I would right click on that and run that as admin. And in the command prompt window at the prompt, you would enter this command. I'll leave it in the description if you'd like to copy and paste that if you are affected. And then press enter, and that then will shut down your PC without having the issue where it won't shut down or enter hibernation. The device will restart. According to Microsoft, that is the workaround. And Microsoft says the next steps is it will release a resolution for this issue in a future update. And obviously, if I get knowledge of that, I will post and let you guys know. And unfortunately, this is now another known issue. So just thought I'd put it out there to keep you guys in the loop like we like to do on the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.